This Ayamase is perfect, cooked in a special way. It is packed with flavor, tastes absolutely delicious, and very easy to prepare. Can you see what you have here? This is how you're going to start. You're going to see everything, and you will see it how it's going to get to this very stage that you're going to see. I will say welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Join me to cook this super delicious Ayamase sauce. Those are the protein I'll be using. I have goat meat, beef, shaki, and pomodere, that is cow skin. I'm going to add seasoning and salt into this. I'm not going to use much seasoning, but feel free to use any other seasoning you are used to. Okay, I added salt and seasoning, and I'm just going to add some diced onions. For exact measurement of everything I use, please check the comment section or the description box. You'll find it there. After that, I'm just going to give it a gentle mix together. You can see how it is. This is how I'm going to start boiling it without adding water, because I want the meat to be super delicious. So I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it has started to cook in its own juice that the protein produced. Okay, I gave it a gentle mix, added enough water into it, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook till done. Look at what we have. The meat is done. You can see shaki, beef, goat meat, everything is ready. And into a pot now, I'm going to pour in some palm oil. Yes, feel free to mix vegetable oil and palm oil together. Yes, it works perfectly. I've tried it before. But I'm going to cover this palm oil because I want to bleach it and I don't want smoke to fill my kitchen. I covered it. After 7 minutes, I turn down the heat, allow it to cool down a bit, and now I turn back the heat on. I'm going to fry the protein first of all in this palm oil. Yes, if you love, use the system. I told you we prepared it in a special way and the result is super amazing. So I fried the protein in the palm oil. I'm not going to fry it until it gets fried. No, I love my fried meat medium. You can see how it looks now. This is how I kept turning it until it gets to how I wanted. I fried everything at once for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I took it out and that's how I fried everything. What I have here are my green bell pepper tatache. Yes, green bell pepper, that's what I'm using. And I'm going to use 1 red bell pepper, habanero pepper, green chombo, yes, chili, and onions. You can see the green chilies, that is how they came, and with the combination of this red habanero and red bell pepper, loveless. Try it. You are going to love the color of the Ayamase, and the taste is also super. So I blended everything together and I'm going to pour in some diced onion into the palm oil. That's the palm oil I used for frying the meat. Into the palm oil I added iru, that is locust beans. Okay, I added locust beans into it and diced onions. I'm going to fry for about 2 minutes in the palm oil, and now I added the bell pepper. I blended the bell pepper, poured it in a sieve. I allowed the excess water to drain, and that is what I've just poured into the palm oil. Now I'm going to mix it together. If today is the first time on this channel, I'm saying welcome. Please remember to join us here. It is free. We're happy people here. Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you. And into it now, I'm going to add the red bell pepper and habanero. Okay, I blended it, poured into a sieve as well, roughly blended. Please, this is very important. The green bell pepper, green chili, and the red bell pepper and habanero pepper onions are roughly blended. You can see how it looks now. Everything has been added now into the palm oil. Give it a gentle mix, and now I'm going to start frying on the middle heat. You can see how it's continued to fry. You have to Keep stirring it so that it will not get burnt. Okay, you can see the stage that we are now. You can see part of the palm oil at the side. We are not yet there. This is the next stage you're going to have. You can see it keeps going down, boiling down, and the palm oil keeps floating at the top of it. But at this stage we aren't done. You're going to get to this stage. You can see only what we have here is just the oil at the top, and the pepper is getting done and done. The aroma here is everything. The aroma is going to give you, you're going to love it. Can you see the palm oil? And this is how I'm going to keep on stirring it until it gets to the consistency that I like. Now I added salt into this, and I'm going to add seasoning. Okay, after adding seasoning, I'm going to be generous with my crayfish powder. This is very, very good. I added crayfish powder into it, and if you have meat stock, you can just add a bit of it. Okay, now I gave it a gentle mix for the ingredients to mix together, and I'm going to continue to fry on the low to middle heat while I keep stirring and keep stirring until it gets to this stage. I think I'm okay with this, like this. Can you see what we have here? It is fried. Now I'm going to add the fried meat into the pepper. I introduced the meat into it now for them to become all one. Yes, lovely. I'm going to give it a good mix together for the meat to start to take part of the sauce, and the sauce will also take parts of the aroma from the meat, of course, you know, for them to become more. Although I fried the sauce in the palm oil I used for frying the meat, now everything are in one pot. Sorry, we aren't done. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to share. All right, so I tasted for salt again. Feel free to adjust your seasoning to your taste, and I'm going to add boiled eggs into it. What is Ayamase without boiled eggs? If you have been cooking Ayamase without boiled eggs, please use it this time around and prepare it this way with a combination of the green pepper and some red pepper. Exactly how I prepared this, I bet it you're going to really enjoyed it. So I covered all the parts of the eggs with the sauce, and I'm going to allow it to fry on that low to middle heat for about 10 good minutes. Okay, for good 10 minutes. And lovely, this is what I have. This is everything. It is super tasty, very easy, goes super well with rice and beans, or if you have agidi, it goes well with eko as well. At this stage, the pepper is done. Feel free to scoop the oil if you want it like this. Thank you so much for watching.